50 years. 50 years of fight. 50 years of change. Changing minds, changing course, changing tides. Ond mae rai pethau sydd byth yn newid. Ein llais. Our voice stays strong, stays constant. The voice of Wales at work. Yn curo ar y drws, taking our seat at the table and demanding our fair share. Hanner canrif, dyn ni yma ers hanner canrif. Taking back control so workers have their say. 400,000 voices and growing. That's hard to ignore. Ond dyw'r lôn ymlaen ddim yn llefn o hyd. Pit closures, picket lines, pick a side or get left behind. But on we march, cause that's what we do. Waith beth yw'r frwydr? Pay rises to pandemics, o ddysgu I ddatganoli, menopause to minimum wage. Dyn ni yma, llaw yn llaw, llanw a thrau. It's not just protests and strikes, placards and signs. It's people. Pobl sy'n mynnu agorau, pobl sy'n mynnu cyfiawnder, fighting for a fairer Wales. And we'll keep fighting, and tyfu, and ennill, because change doesn't stop, and neither do we. 50 years. 50 years of fight, 50 years of change, and here's to 50 more. There's strength in numbers, felly ymunwch a'ch undeb heddiw.